Itinuro na ni dating DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo ang ilang dati at kasalukuyang opisyal na nakinabang sa mga anomalya sa flood control projects. Magbabalita live mula sa Senado si Raymond Dadpaas. Lakay Raymond.
Yung tinabla ng mga congressmen ang imbitasyon ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Ayon kay Senador Panfilo-Ping Lacson, nagpadala ng mensahe si House Speaker Faustino Boji D. III at nagpasabi na hindi dadalo ang mga inimbitahang kongresista kasama na si dating House Speaker Martin Romualdez dahil ilan sa kanila ay kumarap na sa investigasyon ng Independent Commission for Infrastructure o ICI, habang ang iba naman ay nagsumiti na ng affidavit sa ICI. Narito si Senator Ping Lacson.
Now, according to Speaker D, the members will not be appearing before the committee today in order to avoid any possible prejudice to the ongoing investigation and eventual findings of the ICI, Independent Commission for Infrastructure, given that the invited members have already submitted themselves to its jurisdiction and proceedings.
Kasunod nito, iniharap na ang very important witness sa katauhan ni dating DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo. Idinitalyo nito kung paano at magkaano ang hatian sa halaga ng mga proyekto. Ang bagong pangalan na lumabas sa kanyang listahan na nakinabang umano sa mga proyekto sa DPWH ay si dating Senator Grace Poe. Ngunit ang kanyang kausap ay ang staff nito na nagngangalang J.Y. De La Rosa at ang kanilang kontraktor ay isang Mrs. Patron. Halagang 500 million pesos umano na proyekto ang inilaan kay Poe at ang tumanggap ng commitment o komisyon na 20% ay si Mrs. Patron. Narito si Yusek Roberto Bernardo.
Senator Grace Poe, sometime third quarter of 2024, J.Y. De La Rosa, a staff of Senator Grace Poe, requested Sec Bunoan through me if Senator Grace Poe can be accommodated in the DPWH NEP. Sec Bunoan told me there is a 500 million for Senator Grace Poe and instructed me to ask the Senator for a list of projects. J.Y. De La Rosa told me to coordinate the matter with Mrs. Patron, a contractor. Mrs. Patron told me to prepare the list. Upon my instructions, Engineer Gerard Apollesia submitted a consolidated list of the following projects, 1 in Laguna and 3 in NCR. These projects are indicated in the list here to attach as Annex M. Thereafter, the list of projects was included in the NEP by Sec Bunoan through Yusek Cati Cabral. Later on, the said projects appeared in the GAA for 2025. There was a 20% commitment collected for Senator Grace Poe. Mrs. Patron, a contractor, collected the commitment for Sen Grace Poe at Diamond Hotel from one of my aides.
Emosyonal si Undersecretary Bernardo nang banggitin ang pangalan ni dating DPWH Secretary Manuel Bunoan dahil siya ang nagbigay ng tiwala sa kanya at binigyan ng mahalagang trabaho kumpara nung panahon ni dating Secretary Mark Villar. Ngunit bilyones ang pondo na pinaglaruan. Narito muli si Yusek Bernardo.
DPWH Secretary Manuel Bunoan is a long-time DPWH official who has held top positions through different administrations. I look up to Sec Bunoan and consider him as a mentor. I treasure his guidance and friendship over the years. Prior to Sec Bunoan's assumption as Secretary of DPWH, I was the Undersecretary for Operations and Planning for NCR, Visayas, having assumed the said position in 2018. Unlike during the time of Sec Mark Villar, when I was not given much task, even removed as back chairman, and had very limited operational functions during the COVID pandemic period, Sec Bunoan entrusted me with more operational functions and let me work more closely with Jose Cabral.
Ang bahagi ng naging pahayag ni Yusek Roberto Bernardo. Ilan sa muli nitong pinangalanan ay sina dating Senador Ramon Bong Revilla Jr., Senador Jinggoy Estrada, Senador Nancy Binay, at Senador Chis Escudero at yung iba pang mga kongresista. Sa kani-kanina din lang ay pinayagan ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee na lumabas mula sa Senado ang mag-asawang Curly at Sara Diskaya upang kunin yung itinago nilang ledger. Listahan mo muna ito ng mga politiko at mga opisyal ng DPWH na tumanggap ng kickback mula sa kanila habang tuloy ngayon ang pagdinig ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Para sa MBC TV Network News, ito si Raymond Paz ng DCRH, una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino.
Live mula sa Senado, maraming salamat, Lakay Raymond Dadpaas.